Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 brokers for beginners in Ireland, based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is Trade Republic. Trade Republic offers commission-free ETFs and low-cost stock trading, making it a smart choice for growing portfolios. High interest on uninvested cash is a sweet bonus. With quick account setup, Trade Republic is perfect for new and seasoned investors alike. Our runner-up at number 2 is Lightyear. Lightyear stands out with commission-free ETFs and surprisingly low stock fees. For those with cash on hand, the broker offers high interest on uninvested amounts. Account setup is a breeze, getting users trading in no time, perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. And now for our number 1 pick. The best broker for beginners in Ireland is eToro. eToro shines with low stock and ETF fees, making trading affordable. Its seamless account opening process is a breeze, perfect for beginners. Add in social trading, and it's a great choice for those wanting to learn from others. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.